General Insurance Corporation of India recruitment for the scale 1 officers. Any graduate can apply. This is the official site of GIC Corporation of India Limited, that is General Insurance Corporation of India Limited. And if you just go to careers page, this is the notification, this is the advertisement link, and you need to apply from this link. This is the official notification, recruitment of scale 1 officers. These are the tentative schedule is given here. The online registration will start from 11/3/2021 and last date is 29/3/2021, and last date for payment is same as well, from 11/3/2021 to 29/3/2021. The date of online examination, which is tentative, will be 9th May 2021 afternoon shift. So this is the date of examination, and there will be pre-recruitment training for SC, ST, OBC, PWD candidates, those who opt for pre-recruitment training while applying, that is from 26th April to 29th April. And the eligibility criteria for different vacancies, as you can see here, the number of vacancies for finance chartered account are 15, and the eligibility is graduation in any discipline with 60% of marks, and also 55% for SC, ST candidates, and they should have qualified the CA exam, that is chartered account exam, to apply in the stream of finance chartered accounts. For general stream, that is there are 15 vacancies all over India, and any graduate can apply with 60% marks and 55% for SC, ST candidates. So for this post, that is general stream, there are 15 vacancies. So for this post, any graduate can apply with 60% marks in their graduation. And for legal stream, there are 4 vacancies, and the requisite qualification is bachelor degree in law with 60% marks for general and OBC and 55% for SC, ST. And for insurance, there are 10 vacancies, and the requisite qualification is graduate in any discipline with 60% of marks, and also the candidate should possess postgraduate diploma or post-graduation or diploma in general insurance or risk management and life insurance recognized. This is the certificate you need to have, that is postgraduate diploma in this general insurance or risk management, to apply for the post of that is discipline stream of insurance. There are vacancies, 10 vacancies. So for this you need to have that certification to apply for this. But for any graduate, this is the stream you need to apply, general stream. Any graduate can apply. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, which are job updates, you can just see it from the I icon right now, which is displayed on the screen, that is latest job updates playlist, so that you will be benefited whatever the vacancies released till date. I have uploaded in that different videos. So the reservation of vacancies for general, 18 vacancies. These are the reservation of vacancies for different categories, and this is a shortfall of vacancies for different categories. The age criteria is minimum age is 21 years and maximum age is 30 years, and candidate should not born earlier than 2/2/1991 and not later than 1/2/2000. So both dates are inclusive, and there is relaxation of 5 years for SC, ST, and the relaxation of 3 years for OBC, and for 10 years relaxation for PWD. So this is the relaxation for ex-servicemen, women, divorced, and also existing employees of general insurance company as well. So regarding the emoluments, that is the pay scale, the basic pay is around rupees 32,795 per month. This is the pay scale, 32,795 to 62,315 rupees is the pay scale, and the total emoluments will be around 65,000 per month, plus other benefits, which are new pension scheme and newspaper allowances. So this is the enhanced salary you will get at the time of posting. So this is regarding the emoluments. What is the criteria? Now this is the selection procedure. The selection procedure will be based on written test, a group discussion and interview, will be of 200 marks. And now we'll see what are the centers of different states. So these are the centers of different states. Those who opt, so for these are the different states. So Andhra Pradesh had 2 states, Rajahmundry and Vijayawada. Assam had 1 state, that is Assam had 1 city, Guwahati. Andhra Pradesh 2 cities. So this is the different examination centers for different states. So put together there might be different centers, but some of the centers have been curtailed due to the criteria administrative reasons. But you need to opt the state before selecting the city, and then you will followed by the cities which will be given in this list will be displayed. And this is the scheme of online examination. So for specialists, that is different specialists, the part A will be technical knowledge, which consists of 40 marks, 40 questions, and part B will be test of reasoning, which consists of 20 marks, 20 questions, and English language 25 questions, 25 marks, and general awareness 20 questions and 20 marks, and numerical and computer literacy will be 15 questions, 15 marks. So English language will be constituting of essay, press writing and comprehension. So that is of 30 marks. There will be 3 questions, so total of 123 questions, and marks will be 150 marks. So this is for the stream of specialist. Now for the stream of general, there will be part A, that is higher order reasoning ability or critical thinking, of 40 marks. 40 questions will be given, there will be 40 marks. And for reasoning, there are 20 questions and 20 marks are there. And for English language with special emphasis on grammar and vocab, that is 25 questions will be given, 25 marks. And for general awareness, there will be 20 questions of 20 marks, and test of numerical ability and computer literacy will be of 15 questions and 15 marks. And English language, that is essay, press writing and comprehension, comprises of 3 questions for 30 marks, so total of 123 questions, 150 marks. So minimum qualifying marks in the online exam is 60% for general OBC and 50% for 50% of marks for SC ST. So this is regarding the scheme of examination, how the things will go. And regarding the fees criteria, there is 850 there, that is 850 rupees for general, that is general and OBC category, and there is no fee for SC ST PWD candidates. And so this is regarding the GIC recruitment for the scale of officers.